In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Zoom from going full screen. If your Zoom window keeps jumping to full screen whenever someone starts sharing, it's not you, it's a default setting. In a minute, I'll show you exactly where to change it so Zoom stays the size you want, every time. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app on your computer and signing in if you're prompted. Once you're at the Zoom home screen, look to the upper right corner and click your profile picture or the circle with your initials. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens the main settings window where you can customize how Zoom behaves. In the settings window, look at the left-hand panel and select Share Screen. This tab controls what happens when you or someone else shares their screen in a meeting. It's where Zoom decides whether to blow up the window or keep it steady. Now find the option labeled Window Size when viewing a shared screen. Change that setting to maintain current size. That's the key change. With this selected, Zoom will keep your meeting window at the size you've set, instead of automatically switching to full screen when a participant begins sharing. You still have full control to go full screen manually later if you want, but Zoom won't force it on you. A couple of quick tips in case things look a little different. If you don't see the Share Screen tab, or that exact wording, make sure you're using the desktop app rather than the web browser, and update to the latest version of Zoom. The language can vary slightly by operating system and version, but you're looking for the option that controls window size during screen sharing or prevents automatic full screen. Also, remember that a maximized window can look a lot like full screen. If your Zoom window is already maximized, click the Restore button or drag the edges to confirm it's truly resizable. And if you ever end up in full screen unexpectedly, pressing the Escape key will pop you back out immediately. To confirm the change, join a meeting and wait for someone to share a screen. Your Zoom window should remain at the current size. You can resize the window by dragging the corners or edges, and Zoom will respect that size from now on, whenever screen sharing starts. And that's all there is to it. By switching window size when viewing a shared screen, to maintain current size in the share screen settings, you stop Zoom from going full screen automatically and keep the meeting layout under your control. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a calmer, more predictable Zoom experience.